हमें ना गिल्ट बहुत जल्दी से आ जाता है. You're doing Maggie twice a week. You're doing pizzas unknowingly. You are adding so much ketchup throughout the year. चाय के साथ I just have a biscuit. It is 60 freaking biscuits a month. I am very surprised when somebody asks me about a healthy food. ये safe है क्या? बच्चा खा सकता है? I'm like मैगी खिलाने के पहले तो कभी नहीं पूछा.
What is the one common mistake Indian does, especially during the time of festival?
Drink binging, not sleeping well, staying late in the night, eating junk at any point in time in the day. Food plays a major role in the way you think and the way you feel. You know what you guys do with cauliflower leaves? Throw them. They are very rich in fiber. They have vitamin K. Sugar-free ice cream. Did they say it is fat-free? Did they say it's preservative-free? Did they say it is calorie-free? हमें तो बस वो एक word पकड़ना है. Human brain.
How to lose weight after the festival?
Number 1 manifestation and lifestyle podcast.
Kabir Vani.
Amazing people like Kabir Vani. Welcome to Kabir Vani.
Today's topic is going to be very, very interesting. Kyati, the reason behind is we've just passed Diwali festival, right? And usually क्या होता है कि हम दिवाली के टाइम पे इतना सारा फास्ट करते हैं and then दिवाली आते ही we are hogging.
Yes.
Right? So what I want to talk about in this particular podcast episode is how to lose weight after the festival. So please tell me, what is your thought process? Is your, have you had more people come to you after the festival to lose weight?
Of course, it's the busiest time of the year for us. Everybody is maha guilty, and now everybody thinks that they need to lose the weight.
Why do you think there's a guilt right after festival season? Like, we come from a country that food is life.
Yeah.
Right? I think हर नुक्कड़ पे हम खाएंगे. I mean, looking at you, I don't know if you stand and look at and eat or not, but
Of course.
is that the way of doing it? Okay, so why is there a guilt?
So I'll tell you what, we Indians have an emotional quotient which is far more sensitive and very high compared to anyone else. So हमें ना guilt बहुत जल्दी से आ जाता है. Have you noticed?
Yes.
Another person will not be guilty about let's say another race. If you pick up someone from another race, वो इतना guilty नहीं होगा. Whereas we are programmed to feel terrible about ourselves. So a lot of it has to do with that. And second is we also are a race that feels a lot of personal dejection with failure. Okay, anybody else I see, they take failure a lot better than an Indian. So you were on a diet, you were fasting, you were doing everything that you could for the last 3 months, and now suddenly you've overeaten. That is killing it, boss. So this is a very Asian and a very Indian mindset that we deal with. The emotions fluctuate from here to there, and guilt though. We also know हमें guilty कैसे feel कराना है.
Oh my God, this vada pav.
मम्मियाँ पता है guilt कैसे feel कराना है ना, हमें पता है. Correct.
Absolutely.
So whether it is food or anything else, so guilt is just programmed deeply into our psyche. I think that's the reason why we take it इतना दिल पर यार.
This reminded me of the incident that happened with me last night. Okay, I was at my mother-in-law's place. She loves to feed. Okay, and she could mix good food. I'm talking about like the rocking food, right? I'm not saying this because I want her to love me, but I'm saying that it's true. Okay, I went yesterday, choda fari.
Oh.
Okay, garam she had cooked. I have adapted where I don't eat after 7 now. Okay, that's something that I've adapted. We'll talk about this later on the episode. But उनके हम घर गए खाना वाना खा के, and then now I'm gonna have to do my 10,000 steps to reach there. When we reach there, and she's just got this garam choda fari, and she's like, she bought 4, and she just gives it to me in a plate, and she's like, here, enjoy. And I'm like, I'm not having that. So she's like, नहीं एक तो खाना ही पड़ेगा. So I think this is when you said that mummies apne they make us feel guilty, and then I'm like, so this constantly clicked me yesterday ke अच्छा हाँ मैंने वो एक चोड़ा फरी फिर भी खा ही लिया. at that point of time.
Yes.
You know, Kati, I want to ask you is what is the reason that we kind of jump between fasting during the festivals and then binging during the festival?
So again, religion is one thing, but a lot of religious beliefs are based on sciences. Navratri is a time when it is, let's say, autumn of India. हम ना monsoon से winter में आ रहे हैं. So there is a big transition in the traditional Indian diets from summer to monsoon. All right, and from there, this entire 9 days is fasting, building your immunity, getting ready for the winters. Diwali was never about what we eat abhi. Diwali was always about ghee wale laddu. Diwali was about just staple grains hoti thi in every part of India. Usi ki sweets bane. So, and we are a nation that always ate with the sun. Most of us were farmers, right? So eating with the sun also is like winter में तुम्हारा थोड़ा time कम हो गया खाने का, which is why this high calorie food, because you have to eat in a stipulated time. There is hardly going to be time to cook because sunlight नहीं है, right? Minimal light में कोई cook नहीं करता था, कीड़े चले जाएंगे. So that is how the whole cycle started, And that is why we never gained weight. Everybody was everybody was healthy. I'm not saying we were tall and 6 feet and we were always, see, British ruled us, okay? We are Asians, we are Indians, we are Browns. We were never supposed to be six-pack and we were never supposed to be muscular and all that. But yes, having said that, this is what the whole situation and the commotion is.
But then, from there, I think a lot of thing has changed where, being skinny and fit to being fat and unfit.
Yeah.
Right? Because nowadays, if you look at it, the TVs have got slimmer and the human race has got fatter.
Yes.
Now, what is the one common mistake a human does, or let me call it, Indian does, especially during the time of festival?
So I am a big fan of the traditional Indian diet. A lot of us say that, it is just the diet that we ate in those 4 or 5 days of Diwali. But trust me, it is not. Okay, a lot of factors play a role. It is all that you have eaten throughout the year, plus drink binging, plus not sleeping well, plus staying late in the night, plus eating junk at any point in time in the day. And trust me, you know what, that weight gain is not the final weight gain. A lot of it is because they bahut namkeen khate hain. And with namkeen, we also eat a lot of meetha. Now, meetha and namkeen, sugar and salt, both of them are natural preservatives. Preservatives means they retain a lot of water and moisture, correct? So that is what is happening. It is a lot of water weight. It is not fat weight that we worry so much about. It is just a tradition, a norm, and people like us wanted to make money. So we just said, Diwali mein bahut sara weight gain ho jayega. Please aage diet shuru karo.
Usually what happens is that you want to, take care of your health and body, but because around you everyone is, eating, and somehow we start feeling anxious.
Yeah.
So even though you're eating right, because you're so anxious about getting that food with a different energy into you, what happens to your mind and body at that time?
See, I'll tell you what. Nobody wants to be conscious during festivals. Given a choice, sabne maze karna hai. ठीक है? I, for a long part of my life, have been overweight, and I have battled all this. I definitely want to eat the chakri, the chivda that is made at home, and the moment I said no to myself, I ended up eating a lot. So the overall concept in India is a little messed up. I always recommend that, it's my personal trick. I say that एक 4-bite rule कर लो, so you won't feel bad about not eating. Plus you will ensure that you are also not having to deal with the social trauma of khane rahi hai. At the same time, you will be able to scale through the festival without seeing any rise on the scale. So we have rules called as 4-bite rules कि भाई you know चक्री अच्छी लगती है ना, चलो ये 5 दिन एक चक्री खा लो, या फिर we educate them in terms of let's say बेसन बर्फी और रसगुल्ला. We'll say rasgulla is a better choice. Okay, so make sure that I have a way out is the best way. Anxious, yes, because we are not educated also. कभी हमें किसी ने नहीं सिखाया कि खाते कैसे, कभी नहीं सिखाया.
We don't stop at that one rasgulla.
Yes, we don't. And plus, I'll tell you, whenever I eat healthy, if my plate is healthy today, okay, I've messed the day up, I want to eat healthy, I will get questions like, हमेशा diet पे ही होती है. Now I've been a good child throughout the week and now I want to just chill a bit and आज मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा खा लिया.
तेरे डाइट का क्या होगा?
क्या हो गया? आज कैसे खा रही है तू? I am judged every single meal, every single day. So that is also something that one has to wire themselves around. ज़्यादा पतले हो जाओ, बीमार लग रहे हो. So we are a very, very difficult race to deal with when it comes through food and body both. Yeah.
Do you think this is because food is emotion for especially us in India?
Chal, let me ask you this, okay? Tell me, did mama ever tell you that पढ़ाई रुक जा यार, पहले खेल के आ जा, या पहले जा थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज करके आ, पढ़ाई बाद में कर लेना? कभी नहीं. खेलने जाना है तुझे, पढ़ाई हो गई नहीं हुई. We were never allowed to have a hobby. What do you say?
I agree. Yeah, I definitely agree.
हाँ, hobby क्या होती है? Cooking, stitching, you know, those kind of skills which make me a better catch, you know, in the society. And लड़कों के लिए it was always about कमाओ, ये करो, वो करो. तो हमारी hobby ही कुछ नहीं रही, तो एक ही तो hobby बनेगी, and that hobby is eating. So we deal with food, you know, I'm happy I eat, I'm sad I eat, I'm bored I eat, I'm going out to eat, I'm meeting someone to eat. What else will I do?
It's like you have I think we have created the culture in such a way that food has to be now, you know, I agree, and it's not only our culture, right? I think this is everywhere. Thanksgiving, they have like feast, right? Correct. In America, if you go,
but they go skiing after that.
So that's what I was gonna go, is that what can we do different, right? So see, you know, it has now become a norm where you cannot say no to a relative or to someone's house you go. कि खाना दिया है, अभी वो समोसे है, डीप फ्राइड है, जो भी है, खाना तो है, because it becomes rude.
Should I give you my trick?
Please, yes.
God, I hope relatives don't watch. My stomach is always kharab.
That's what you have to say? I thought you were... All right.
I'm just too messed up. I'm very constipated today. आज मुझे बहुत एसिडिटी हो रही है, मैं उतना ही खा लूंगी. प्लीज आज मासी मुझे मत खिलाओ इतना, मुझे ना उल्टी हो रही है.
Kathy's family. She's revealing all the secrets. So next time when she does that, just stuff her up.
In fact, you know, we were holidaying in Goa, 3 of us, me, Vishal and Trisha, after really long. And they messed up a bit, okay, which is fine. And, you know, the chef met me at breakfast and was like, I'm sending you pancakes, I'm sending you waffle, I'm sending you this, I'm sending you that. And then the other guy says, ये नहीं करेगी, it's too difficult to please her, she just doesn't get you know, happy with food. Okay, fine, but I said that means 90% of people here, if these guys mess up, are very easy to be you know, let's say consoled or calmed with food. Yeah. Can you imagine? Food is currency for you messed up, let me send you an extra dish.
Yes.
You know, let me do this. So again, what are you doing? My God, it's like 2 extra waffle खा लोगे और हो जाएगा सब.
नहीं, no, see, that's what it is. 2 extra waffle खा लोगे तो क्या ही हो जाएगा. Yeah, that's what the thought process is, that it's only 2 waffles. Just have it now. You do your diet later.
When, you know, I will have a lot of our clients coming back and saying, यार मैंने ना वो चकरी खा ली, मैंने लड्डू खा लिया. And then I'll take them back to, ये 5 ही दिन खाया ना, चलो इतना बनाया है, it is going to take you, let's say, a week and a half. But you know what you do every day? Nobody wants to talk about it. You're doing Maggie twice a week. You're doing pizzas unknowingly. You are adding so much ketchup throughout the year. And the best is, मैं तो सुबह no breakfast यार, चाय के साथ I just have a biscuit or 2 biscuits.
Or let's call it khakra.
हाँ नहीं बिस्किट
Biscuit,
खाखरा
अच्छा.
तो चलो गुजराती
Healthier,
I have khakra, so I'll tell you, but which ones are. So biscuits, okay, you say you eat 2 biscuits with chai and you're boasting about eating the high fiber biscuit. It is 60 freaking biscuits a month.
But then it is high fiber biscuits, na? So that's fine.
So just go and check the nutrition label. They didn't say low fat. They didn't say low sugar. They did not say it is safe for a diabetic. They did not say a heart patient can have it. In fact, they did not even say it's low calorie. So it is higher on calories, it is higher on fat, it is higher on sugars, because otherwise you won't be able to pop it in your mouth. So, in India, again, I told you, right, we don't know how to eat. We don't know how to read nutrition labels. But I'll tell you, in the next 5 years, it's going to change tremendously. And we are going to make sure it does by making sure that we put out so many videos which actually talk about that. We are messing about that besan laddu. But pata hai, craving, rose post dinner we eat. Even if we eat 2 bites or say two pieces of a chocolate, that chocolate has a shelf life of what are you eating?
Crazy.
And then you're giving up a besan laddu for a dark, expensive chocolate. Boss, there is no comparison. That is completely full of preservatives. It is not going to do any good to you. I'd rather you have that half laddu. It is homemade, mama's made it, or somebody sent it to you, and its shelf life is barely a month. It starts smelling. So imagine we are giving up on all the good, and those 4 days of good also we don't want to do to ourselves, and we want to sit with junk, okay, which we don't consider as junk. It's just a part of life. आज मैं busy हूँ तो मैंने ये खा लिया, and then we blame. It's we messed up.
But why is it that junk food is more addictive and more खाना है, and comparatively to अच्छा पनीर की सब्जी खानी है, अच्छा ये खाना है, राजमा खाना है, अच्छा ये what do you call it, गवार खाना है.
Yeah.
But why is that?
So see, I'm not like this very, very disciplined as an eater. I'm a foodie. I was fat, okay? I mean, even at 42 now, I still feel, okay, now perimenopause is coming, and I can see like a nice chubby cheek sometime, and I'm working on that every day, but not at the cost of giving up on life. So a foodie is always going to be there. India mein, I will be very surprised to see if there's no foodie here. Having said that, okay, what I always believe in is you try and you find your jugaad. All right, the word is something which I believe in. Balance nahi yaar, it's jugaad, okay? Some days you have to eat bad, some days you have to eat good, but in the bad also try and eat good. That is what saves you, okay? I'll tell you, junk food ki jo addiction hai na, utni hi addiction hai ki healthy food ki ho jati hai. It is just how your system starts feeling. Imagine a person like me. So, I used to go to, you said chaat thele wala. Was in my heydays when I was really fat. You know what used to be my order? 1 plate pani puri. उसके बाद 1 plate दही पूरी, उसके बाद एक सेव पूरी, and उसके बाद एक भेल. And I was going home to have dinner also.
Wow, really?
Right?
Okay.
So addiction. Now today, if it is a second pani puri, na, my husband will look at me. औकात के बाहर का खानी है. रात में you will die of acidity. Your system speaks to you. You feed. It's like your mind. You feed it junk. You will think junk, your life will become junk. Why does someone not realize the importance of feeding the body, which ultimately is food for the mind? So I always believe in, people can eat n number of rubbish. I can only see it as, God, this stomach is now going to go through hell. And nobody is happy, Kabir. Tell me about 2 people, anyone, they can comment on this podcast, if they feel happy after finishing an entire slice of pastry. कोई भी पतला मोटा, आज एक बच्चे को भी पता है. Okay, so we are just, again, we are programmed to not talk about your feelings. We are programmed to not have any other hobby. We are programmed to Just live life, and the only pleasure or the only go-to or the only aunt or the only stress buster we have is
Food.
and junk. That's it. Okay, because क्यों पता है, पहले से ही ना उसको मना कर रखा है, मुझे तो वही करना है जो मना कर रखा है. And it's not that deep. It is so healthy. It is amazing when you eat rajma paneer and it is cooked the right way. Trust me.
Absolutely. Now I have few questions related to this, and before I go there, since we started this podcast in terms of festival, I want to ask you that what can we do differently during the time of festival, like as a host. If you come to my house, usually, like you said very rightly, chakri, gulab jamun, all the mithais of the world, shrikhand hai, ye wo hai. What can be the alternative healthy way of serving the guest, which would be good for them, good for you, and the environment?
ठीक है. So I'll tell you how I host, and people like coming to my house. Okay, it's not that I host badly because I'm a dietitian. There's always a standard salad that is served, which a person who hates eating salad, he or she will keep rejecting it, and then you know what? One person will say, "ये कितना बढ़िया है, ये कितना बढ़िया," and then suddenly I see that वो खत्म हो गया, बाकी सारा रह गया. So it is a very simple quick salad that I will share the recipe. Okay, it is all the lettuce and any lettuce that you get, whether it's iceberg, whether it is हमारे भाजी वाले वाला salad पत्ता, whether it is romaine, whether it is any, just chop the lettuce, take chickpeas, which is Kabuli chana, which is our chole, put those, put some anar, put some oranges or Malta oranges, put some olives, very little pistachio, and salt, pepper, and lime. You are sorted with the best salad ever. You have to have dips, okay? You have to have a couple of hummus. And instead of pita, try keeping salad sticks. People will thank you. So I have beetroot, mooli, I have carrots, and I have cucumber that is cut into sticks. That with hummus is again a very good accompaniment, even with wine and even with mojitos.
Wow.
People enjoy it. People love it. Now comes one more thing, which is extremely chatpata for that craving, right? I have a sweet potato chaat.
Nice. Please enlighten me.
So it is all the possible chutneys you want. Hari wali, brown wali, lasan ki chutney, any chutneys, okay? Chutneys are all very good for your gut. They are something which is very light and easy on calories, and you should use them amazing amounts mein. Sweet potatoes, any chutneys you like. I like using chaat masala. Along with that, there is pudina, there is kothmeer, there is, for the crunch, I am not a big peanut fan, so I will put roasted chana. Trust me, nobody complains. It is awesome. It is tasty. And then I go again to check. Okay, अब पड़ा क्या है? I always tend to have one item which is fried. वो पड़ी रह जाती है. There is then one more item which is a little warmish, all right? And I am a big fan of putting pasta on the table at that point in time with slight pesto. You know, in the world of Italian sauces, pesto is the highest calorie. But agar usko as a sauce use kare, not as a Punjabi gravy, it can do wonders to your table. So cherry tomatoes, bo pasta, and that sauce. That's it, okay? This is what I serve. All of them who come are very happy.
You know, I would be loved to be a part of the guest at your house. I'm self-inviting myself.
Please do. Can I bust one myth? Okay,
Please.
a lot of us,
Go ahead.
a lot of us, my guests especially, okay, paneer tikka nahi hai. I'm like, paneer tikka kyun chahiye? अरे नहीं, वो प्रोटीन खाना है, and I'm not eating anything fried today. My dinner is going to be paneer tikka. I'm like, oh no, you should have that barbecue tofu that I have kept. One serving of paneer, okay, in our dictionary is how much? It is 5-6 pieces. One serving of paneer in my dictionary is 35 grams. This is 100 calories, and this is 7 grams fat, and I'm talking about raw. Let me fry this up for you. Okay, let me marinate this for you. Let me tikka it up for you. That paneer tikka once skewer, I would rather give you a bowl of rice, a tadka dal without any additional tadka, a katori of raita, some salads, and I could also probably add a sukha sabzi. Same calories.
Same calories.
What is
so
going to be
much.
more filling?
Of course, the other one, this option B
Exactly.
naturally.
So I don't want to eat the paneer tikka. I'm a happy girl. I want to eat. See, a fat person eats food. Okay, so you need to figure out what will give you more volume and what is lower in calories.
I agree.
This is what it is.
This is what. Wow, that's.
So one pita
Huh.
or one entire cucumber cut into slices, hummus remains the same. I'd go for that.
Okay, so cucumber and hummus. That sounds delicious. Did I mention that I'll be self-inviting myself to your house? Okay, I'm just reminding you. नहीं अपना इंडियन है भाई. We're always there. Christmas is coming as well.
Yes.
So we'll do something with it. I'll find something to come to your house and have all that food.
Done.
That's what it is gonna happen. Great, yeah. I want to ask you the previously you said something which caught my thoughts that the way you think, you may not even feel good after having food. Is your thoughts, anxiety of depression, fear, guilt related to food?
Food plays a major role in the way you think and the way you feel. Okay, we all forget. Suppose if there is a patient, all right, who is bedridden but who needs to lose weight, or let's say somebody is recovering from a leg injury, they are made to play chess or they are made to play a sport which takes a lot of their energy in terms of mental energy. Glucose, carbs, we are always about, why is India a country where hum bolte na top CEOs, it's Indians who are running that, right?
Correct,
Those
yes.
companies. Kyun?
Why is that? Please enlighten me.
We again are a carb eating race. The carbs have changed. Okay, instead of brown rice, we are eating supremely polished rice.
Okay.
Instead of a millet roti belonging to your region, you are eating a very fine patla fulka, or you are eating the naan and the rotis and all of that maida loaded. So instead of eating a khichdi, you are eating noodles. Instead of eating, let's say, a paratha or a homemade good paratha, you are eating pasta. So and bread. Twice a week to bread hota hai ghar mein, right? So you've changed your carbs unknowingly, all right? Kyunki na wo jo carbs which I said, they take time to cook. They need time to be prepared to make sure they are edible. एक बाजरा रोटी बनाने में बहुत time लग जाता है compared to a wheat roti, zag done, right?
Yes.
And that also very refined. So we have, I feel, stopped fueling ourselves the way we should. Hamari brain has always been our asset, and brain requires, or whatever you eat, the glucose 20% is the brain. Okay, now everybody is wearing a sugar patch and saying that, I want to manage my blood sugar. It is a steady blood sugar requirement for you to be intelligent, for you to be calm, for you to be smart, for you to be sharp. Now what are we doing? We are thinking carbs are bad. So हम तो good bad सब छोड़ दिए, and we are already focusing on protein. There's no one who's happy with protein. They have gut issues. They are feeling terrible. They are not even losing weight, which is in a healthy way. So for us, I feel the connection is and was always about eating complex carbs. Why are so many grains available? Like, the biggest teacher is nature. Just Mediterranean country jao. Why are there so many fresh fruits, so many vegetables? Why are there so many pulses and legumes? The land talks to you. We are not listening. So this is a problem. Whenever I have seen a change in the diet, I also see the first time they had come in, they were unhappy, they were irritated. The first couple of days of the diet also, if there is something, even if you're 2 minutes late in replying, agitation. यार second session में तो 2 घंटा reply late हो गया, होता नहीं है, I'm going to kill my team, but 2 घंटा अगर होता है late ना तो भी they are calm. So it is your mind that requires the most amazing food to function, not only, let's say, to live, but
Ah.
to stay motivated.
And be active.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
You know, when it comes to this particular aspect of it, I want to take it again to the previous topic that you said that when you were fat, looking at you, I don't think you were. All right. And then you said that you had like 4, you had pani puri, dahi puri, batata puri, bhel, and then you went home and eat, right?
Yes.
How did you become this?
So see, I think everybody, at least a normal Hindustani admi, needs some sort of a shock or needs a big transformation, is because you have some pain inflicted on you or by you. So I think mine was that I was always a chubby child. I think before our podcast started, I told you I want to become a doctor. So this girl was only studying and eating. Okay, I didn't realize only. And see, when we were growing up, na, ये नहीं होता था मोटा पतला, पेट बाहर आ रहा है, all that rubbish was never there. And life was going on. I was 68, 70 kilos when I entered Leelavati after my post-graduation. And trust me, in the lab coat, nobody really was bothered. I'm talking about what, 18 years back. So I started my career there, and I loved work. So 18, 20 hours nikal jati thi. I didn't realize again. One day I just saw, and everybody used to come to eat at the dining. So I had become good friends with all the doctors. And I said, I don't think mujhe 3 mahine se periods aaye. So she said, हाँ आ जाओ, come to the clinic. Come to the OPD. I will write some tests. I don't know why मैंने करवा भी लिए. Otherwise, me and out of work, never. But then I went back to her and I said, so she said, this is what it is, baby, you have PCOS. And in that 8-9 months, I gained a lot of weight. See, I'm not blaming anyone, okay? It was me. I was the workaholic. I loved my work. And it was, I think, again, we are not taught as women to take care of yourself. Okay, we are always, ye kaam kar le, wo kaam kar le. And I was married also early by choice. So nobody told me at home, okay, my father-in-law, my husband, they were all like very chill, but super perfect रहना है. तो उसमें हमारी खुद की बैंड बच जाती है. And that is when I was given 2 choices. It was infertility. At 24, you tell me infertility, बच्चा नहीं चाहिए था, but at that time it becomes a big thing.
Very
for you.
challenging.
It becomes the only thing in life that infertility. And then she said 2 ways: IUI, IVF, or start losing weight. That's when I think I became a dietitian. And then see, the chef was my friend. So after work, he used to cook amazing stuff. And I used to be chilling with him, them, the entire team, eating. And I didn't realize. So again, see, food was my go-to. Stress buster.
Stress buster.
Correct.
I think that's what
After the
most of
shift-
us are do that.
After the shift, chill karo, kha lo, and then go home. I think that's what shook me up. But at the same time, losing weight is hard, Kabir. It's hard to give up on all the food that you like. It's hard to overnight give up on a lifestyle. It's hard. So I decided that nahi, ye hard nahi hoga. And then I started figuring out, let me go out tonight and see if I eat this, what is happening. If I drink this alcohol, what's happening. If I am tweaking my recipe a little bit, what's happening. So today, that is what balanced nutrition is all about. You will find burgers also. You will find burgers in recipes. You will find sandwiches. You will find tikkis. You will find 10 different types of dips. I have 5-7 types of hummus. I have chaat. I have everything. Little tweak.
Just little tweak.
Just a little tweak. And taste, so I can't compromise. So,
Of course,
so
naturally.
that is what.
It's the taste that it's giving to you. Recently when you're talking about this, a really good friend of mine, he's a chef. His name is Omkar Ponga, right? And what he did was he made a noodles, but out of carrots. और पूरा उसने वो पूरा ऐसा दिखाया है कि he had done the carrots, he had scraped it completely. Of course वो जो थोड़ा oil करके उसको तड़का लगा के and all, he put it in the carrots and little bit of peanuts. Put in, like, I'm actually thinking about it right now. It's giving me water.
So I have my own recipe called zoodles. So everything else remains the same. All right, your soy sauce. I'm not a fan of Ajinomoto, but everything else remains the same. The soy sauce, the vinegar, the chili sauce, all of it. Okay, just the noodles are replaced by zucchini strips, which is zoodles. If it is too much of a change, we say 50-50 kar le. 50% zoodles and 50% noodles. Now to life is even more easy. We have shirataki noodles.
What is that? Shirata
Mushroom.
noodles?
It's a typical mushroom.
Okay.
Okay, a type of mushroom जिसके noodles बने हुए हैं.
Really?
Yeah, 9 calories per portion only. Everything else remains the same.
Only if you enjoy that noodle. I mean mushrooms,
Yeah,
right? But
yeah.
if zucchini
But
can be
I tell
done.
you can't feel it also. You just can't feel it. It's a nice noodle, and you put your Szechuan also. Sometimes it's fine. You know. So again, it's finding your ways also fine. You know, I have somebody who is I'm not going to do zoodles. I don't want to do carrots. I don't want to do this. I'll say, all right, go to the restaurant, give a big smile. If you are not somebody who wants to give a big smile, give $100 and say, मेरे noodles में 40% noodles रख, 60% veggies कर दे. Put the cabbage, put the spring onions, put the carrots, and enjoy that. Put the peppers. So imagine something which was heavily loaded on carbs.
It's now reduced almost by 60%.
Correct. And you added the veggies, which is my war always with clients. कि veggies खा लो यार. So this is how we tweak in veggies also. One more thing, can I tell you one secret?
Please, absolutely.
So cauliflower, you know what do you guys do with cauliflower? Leaves.
Leaves, huh?
Throw them.
Mostly, yeah.
No, don't.
आज की तारीख में तो I think भैया खुद ही काट के दे देता है हमें.
Exactly. So no, don't. They are very rich in fiber. They have vitamin K. So मेरे घर पे पालक पनीर बनता है जब उसमें ये leaves चले जाते हैं.
Very nice.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm like all of this sudden starting to feel hungry.
Exactly. See,
Yeah.
healthy food is always
Always good.
yummy. And you know what? It's real guilt free. It's not that fake guilt free.
No.
You know, sugar free ice cream. Did they say it is fat free?
No, absolutely
Did
not.
they say it's preservative free? Did they say it is calorie free? हमें तो बस वो एक वर्ड पकड़ना है.
Word पकड़ना है.
Human
Right.
brain. We can't blame anyone.
We can.
Human brain.
It's like that. You know, okay, so I'm gonna take this to a bit of a different topic here, where because you brought this up and it really got me into it. PCOS has been something which is very trending nowadays.
Yeah.
Is it all because of having a bad diet, or your emotional stress is also included in it?
See, I think over the last 20 years, I have battled PCOS. I think probably when I was 18 or 19, I didn't realize. And then at 2021, it came to me. Now I see 16-year-olds also coming with that. I believe it has a lot to do with what they have eaten. Okay. When I was growing, I didn't do French fries. I didn't do McAloo tikki. I was in college when McDonald's आई, right? So for a long time in my life, I didn't get that, right? But again, my genetics, I was fat. My diet was also very high on. So my lunch used to be doodh, bhat and sakar. So the Gujarati, I would go mad if there was no milk, shakkar and rice, and that also every day. So it was also something that I have to be blamed, and I think parents also that time were never so educated, right? But abhi, the child, how can you smile and laugh and जब आप एक 8-9 months के बेबी को वो एक फ्रेंच फ्राई dipped in ketchup खिला देते हो, what the hell are you doing, you know? And then when this child is 5, and then when this child is throwing a tantrum on मैं फ्रेंच फ्राइज के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं खाऊंगी, and then you say, oh क्या बचा हुआ है, and this, you did it, right? So that is the problem. The eating habits have dropped terribly. I am very surprised when somebody asks me about a healthy food. ये safe है क्या? ये दे सकता है क्या? You know, कोई अच्छी सी स्नैक आ गई, या कोई हमारी कोई रेसिपी हो गई मस्त वेजिटेबल की, या कोई बच्चा खा सकता है. I'm like, मैगी खिलाने के पहले तो कभी नहीं पूछा.
आजकल तो सोडा भी दे देते हैं लोग. Like, you know, giving that, I've seen a 5-year-old drink a bottle of Coke like it's water. Like I'm like looking at it, I'm like, अभी क्या ही कर रहे हो? I'm like, come on dude, you need to change this particular thing.
And हमारा weaning food क्या है? Biscuits, Parle G biscuits with milk. हम बच्चे को वो खिला रहे हैं.
It's healthy, beta.
God, 8-9 months old, just because you're traveling and you know you want convenience, that's what you give into the child. I'd rather the child is hungry.
So that can lead to PCOS later.
Every single day you are eating excessive amounts of invisible sugars, excessive amounts of invisible fat, bread. Nobody even thinks that यार ये sugar loaded हो सकता है मेरे लिए.
But then what if you're doing brown bread with no maida?
That's a myth.
But it stays no matter. It says brown bread.
It's not no maida. Okay, you can get away by saying wheat flour. Now, wheat flour is, let's start from dalia, go up until maida. Okay, this is wheat. Okay, wheat का सबसे ज़्यादा होता है दलिया, which is broken wheat, and you get different sizes of दलिया. उसके बाद वो हो जाता है रवा, रवा के बाद वो हो जाता है आटा, आटा के बाद वो हो जाता है मैदा. Now the आटा and मैदा journey is आटा which is खपली रोटी जो बनती है थिक वाली, उसके लिए राजस्थानी रोटी एंड बाटी बनती है, उसका थिक आटा से लेके गुज्जू फुल्का का सबसे थिन वर्जन विच इज just one more and it's maida. So you know the line between maida and atta is very thin. I am putting wheat. You're not coming to see whether it's maida or not. And trust me, in our country, first of all, preservation is very difficult. Okay. Second, we are not very particular about transport. Okay, no कोई temperature check नहीं करता कि van का temperature क्या है. And today it's 40 degrees. Look at the pollution. So we are again not very particular, or we don't have laws in place कि भाई ये ऐसे ही जाना चाहिए. I think every day we see, you know, एक food body ने जाके इसको बंद कर दिया, उसे rubbish. So we have to just go and make sure that don't fall into these traps. If you want to eat bread, go and finish it off, eat that maida bread. Unless you can afford an artisanal bread where you know the source, you know the baker, and you're ready to pay 600-700 rupees for a loaf. That is the real bread. तो अगर खानी है ना white, I tell my clients, यार whole wheat try कर लो, okay, मिलती है. Otherwise, if you're buying that packet, you know the regular one is 40 rupees, whole wheat is 60 rupees.
Oh wow. Okay, so I'll ask you a few questions here again in terms of PCOS. You're okay with that, right? All right. So I want to ask, let's say a girl right now, she is going through it and would like to eliminate this particular can we call this a disease, or
It's a disorder.
lifestyle disease or
It's a disorder.
Disorder.
Yes.
Okay, so again, let's say she want to completely eliminate this. What are the steps that you can give her one by one, and it can be done in 6 months?
Yes.
Okay, can you please tell me that?
Right. So what you need to do is first stop following 100 nutrition experts and training experts on Instagram.
Okay.
First step. Okay, first. Second, get one coach and get one doctor who believes in managing this with lifestyle.
Okay.
2 partners for you. Third, 95% of your PCOS symptoms are absolutely reversible with dietary management. Okay. Second, everybody feels that the biggest issue in our diet today is gluten and lactose. Rubbish. Okay, a lot of girls I see stop eating gluten and stop eating dairy. No, you have to eat a diet. थोड़ा technical बताती हूँ. A diet that is high in fiber, low in fat, and adequate in protein. So if I have to do 65% fiber, it is going to be a lot of vegetables in the raw, the cooked form. It is going to be fruit, which I will eat, not drink, and it is going to be grains. This should make up 60 to 65% of your diet. After that, fat, जो invisible होता है, which you are going to be surprised कहाँ से sniggle out करता है. Okay, papads, pickle. Okay, that harmless coconut chutney which we ask for, serving pe serving. I'm not saying it's unhealthy, but right now we don't need that fat. Correct. And a little bit of tweaking in your lifestyle. You know, if you are sleeping late, I'll say, okay, sleep after having a spearmint tea or a chamomile tea. A little bit of superfoods from our own kitchen, cinnamon, methi, and you're good to go.
Great, I love that. And this is, if they follow this particular diet, then definitely they'll be able to go ahead and get rid of the PCOS through it. How much of it is related with stress?
See, there is something about stress which I feel, okay, it's my personal opinion. We discuss it only if we find a solution to it. In my opinion, if there is no solution, I wouldn't want to ponder on it and, you know, make it a center point of my problem. A lot of us, you know, मेरा तो weight loss नहीं हो रहा है, and then मैं blood test करा रही हूँ, और अब तो नए blood test आते हैं ना, cortisol चाहिए, stress level. I'm like, why are you checking it?
It's gonna give you more stress.
Yeah, all you want to do is find some reason to put the blame on. I'm not that person. I'm somebody who wants a solution. And I'll be like, let's not think about that. But even in, even without realizing anything, I feel, or without pinpointing to it, I always see that after 2 to 3 weeks of following a good diet, the person is a lot calmer. So indirectly, your mind is also getting programmed to deal with that stress a little better.
Little bit. So the food is direct source of you either being happy or being stressed.
Yes. Yes.
Who would have known? Huh? Who would have known? I want to ask you towards going the further. Although I have a lot more questions related to this, but I think we'll have to stick to another podcast for that. Because now we are very heading towards our favorite time of the year, where we make resolutions. Yeah? Resolution that I'll do 10,000 steps a day.
Yes.
Resolution that I'll be in the gym. And because of that, I think जैसे अभी आपने बताया, because right after festival,
Yeah.
your is a peak moment. I think right after December, gyms are making money. So
Abhi.
right now, Abhi. So what is the reason that most of the times we fail to do the resolution, especially when it comes to our health?
I mean, an average Indian, or let me say, जिनके phones मैं check करती हूँ, only the steps, nothing else. जिनके phones मैं check करती हूँ ना, they are into 1,500 to 3,000 steps a day.
Average.
हाँ, अब overnight you want to do 10K a day. Again, the Indian mentality. Set our goals to a level where we'll never achieve them and then feel shit about it. Even gym, अब जिंदगी में कभी पैर हिलाया नहीं है, and you suddenly now want to go to the gym, and not only do you want to go to the gym, you have paid for personal training, you have overpromised yourself for cardio. You will not last for more than 4 days. Even when they come to us, diet, कल से sugar bun, कल से मैं बाहर नहीं जाने वाला हूँ और मैं जिम जाने वाला हूँ. I said nothing doing. जिम हम नहीं जाएंगे, शुगर हम बंद नहीं करेंगे, डाइट सिर्फ सीखेंगे slowly. Sustainable changes. Okay, we always, I also love this time of the year, okay, where I'm also thinking about resolutions, but easy on yourself. So
Easy.
that is a big reason.
Okay, so it's like we're taking too many things on our plate at a time.
Over committing, I always say if there's a choice between gym, diet, and sleep, first is correct the diet.
Okay.
It's easiest. You're cooking, you just have to cook a little separately. Second is sleep. फिर जाके टाइम मिलता है ना तो जिम की या वॉक की कोशिश करो.
So by just making sure of your food and sleep,
Yes.
a person can lose weight.
I didn't exercise. I am not saying I am right or wrong. It wasn't my cup of tea. It still is not. If I go to the gym, people start clapping.
Are you kidding me? Really?
But I'm a human. Okay, understand यार, human beings हो, थोड़ा अपने आप से प्यार करो, थोड़ा chill करो. I'm not somebody who, you tell me to work out, मौत आती है. So, no, and it's wrong. I know at 42, it's wrong. I have to start getting into that mindset. I'm trying. Okay, I'm trying. So, guys, just breathe, take it easy, try. Just make small changes first, and trust me, small changes, some results.
It works best. Okay, and then for this New Year's resolution, rather than doing all of it at once, maybe just start focusing on your diet first.
Yes.
And then maybe focus it on sleep. But I think eventually, if you kind of focus on your food, I think sleep automatically restores itself, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Again, I can't put a finger to this, but I will tell you, changes in the diet. I've had couples who have come कि मुझे 3 महीने में IVF करना है plan, and I've been asked to lose weight. They have conceived naturally before that.
Just by the diet change. That's it.
And again, I know when we say diet, it's such a negative word that ये बंद हो जाएगा, ये बंद हो जाएगा, ये बंद हो जाएगा. It is not that. So if you're going to a dietitian that does that to you, it's wrong.
It's wrong.
And most of the times, I find it very difficult, कि मैं 50 डाइटिशियंस के पास जाके आई हूँ, अब आप क्या उखाड़ लोगे? I'm like, एक काम करो, let this be the last, and then you put me on the hit list of the worst dietitians if nothing happens. Okay, I'll be on the hit list. I'll be number 1 out of those 51 who didn't work. Okay, bas done. Chalo karte hain ab kuch. So it is difficult. It is difficult to make someone believe this, but once they do,
it goes. So I'll tell you funny story. Yesterday, I think afternoon, I was studying your website. So I was trying to figure out who Khyati is and what she does, how she is, right? So I can have a proper conversation, be comfortable with you. And I was going, so you have put pictures of before and after. So मेरे दोस्त को बोला कि मतलब यार बंदी के तो काफ़ी अच्छे रिजल्ट है करके, तो देखो लगता है कोई भी न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट बताएगा कि मेरे पास आने से वेट लूज नहीं होगा. And I'm like, I know, but she has posted photos of after and before. So when you're saying that you have been to so many dietitians, and then when you come to me, it just changes your thought process there, because like you very rightly said, I think एक है ना recent reel आया था कि एक बंदा dieting का देख रहा है, तो oh you should not have rice, so he's throwing up rice. Seriously? You should not have water, so he's throwing up water. It's like you should, so he said, okay, I'll live on air, and then bole ki you should not even breathe.
But honestly, na Kabir, I'll tell you what, it is the situation. It is how it is, okay? When the pollution is at its peak, the quality of grains, the quality of vegetables, but you can't be such a pessimist and, you can't have that kind of a mindset. I always feel that even from the worst, this is how we have to be. So yes, again, I have clients who eat out, not out of choice, but एक air hostess है, क्या करूँ, गोली मार दूँ, बोलूँ नहीं, your flight is till 3 a.m, nothing doing, you eat at 9 p.m. and then you sleep at 4 a.m. without food. That's not how it works. We're landing in Germany at 2 a.m, 3 a.m, I have to give her food, and it has to be food that is left from the airline. So I will just navigate that, take that cut fruit, take that salad, let's do something with this.
Mix and match.
So mix and match, live, breathe, and don't make it so complicated.
Do you think हमारा जो term है new year, new me, is psychologically putting you in a lot of stress?
Yes.
So should
And
we take
not
away
just-
that out?
You know what? Not just your stress. God, I have so many girls, educated girls, double degrees, doing so well in their lives, not finding peace at home. I'm 28, I'm overweight, ladka nahi mil raha hai, parents are messing my head. It's not you. You're feeling amazing. Okay, you're breaking the class ceiling out there. You're doing well in the corporate, but you're still made to feel crap. So more than anything else, so I also felt terrible. Okay, I have a client, Rashmi. She was 137. Today she is 72 kgs, and I have never seen, and since she's a Mumbai client, she came to office once and she was so happy, and I had spoken to her on call before, and I mean her entire view of life has changed, and on her pictures, comments क्या है, बूढ़ी लग रही है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. So I and a lot of clients come and say that, what, कोई बोला, I'm happy, I'm this, but what, इसने मुझे बोला कि आप थोड़े old लग रहे हो, आपकी skin. I'm like, what, in India, if you're healthy, there's a problem. If you are fit, there's a problem. If it's all a problem. So if you are feeling amazing, I mean, she is going to the gym. Imagine that lady she's in what, menopause, and now she goes to the gym and she says, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. Her kids are happy. She is walking, and she's sometimes, I used to remember her telling me, आज मैं बिल्कुल नहीं चल पाई, my knees were aching, and now this one is going to the gym, this one is cooking, this one is enjoying life. How can you say buri hai?
But I'll tell you, Khyati, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे.
Again, very difficult in our society to live by that. You need to be really motivated to stick to your own guns.
Yeah. I because as I'm a manifestation coach, this is literally a one chapter in my course where I'm consistently drilling that into my students' mind. that you have to understand that doesn't matter what you do,
Yeah.
there will someone who will say and be like, oh, you did not do this correctly. And there is no way for you to fix it. No way. Until unless you fix your own mind.
You know, in fact, before the podcast, you told me some names A, B, C, and I said I don't hear podcasts. I feel it helps me, Kabir, because if I keep listening to 100 people, if I keep listening to the opinions, if I keep a non-filtered advice pool, going on and on and on and coming on and on and on, I will not be able to operate. So, that Shah Rukh Khan ne bola hai na ki, I don't I don't feel bad, I don't feel good, because मैं सोचता ही नहीं आपके बारे में, मैं देखता ही नहीं हूँ. Lot of people say competitors देखो ये देखा.
It's just me and my work.
Why? You're losing out on a day of something new that came up in your head, or reading a good research that could help 10 other clients.
I agree.
Yeah, but it is difficult. I'm doing this since I was 21. So come on.
Wow.
Now at 40 you can tell yourself that.
Yeah, see, here you did not have Kabir with you. But Kathy, I would like to ask you, because we're kind of about to head towards your next webinar that's coming up. So I want to ask you a no pressure diet in this festival or upcoming festival.
No pressure diet. Okay, first and foremost, the most important thing is don't forget to hydrate, guys. You all forget to hydrate, which leads to a lot more cravings and a lot more eating. Second, don't starve throughout the day thinking आज पार्टी में एक्स्ट्रा खाना होने वाला है. Eat.
आज मैं थाली खाने जाने वाला हूं, तो मैं पूरा दिन कुछ नहीं खाऊंगा.
Yes, I'm like खा के जाओ यार. ब्रेकफास्ट कर लो, लंच कर लो, एंड प्लीज नेक्स्ट डे डिटॉक्स की तो सोचना भी नहीं. 2000 calories today, 400 calories tomorrow because you're detoxing. Dada, 2500 calories the next day because you're hungry like hell. So balance it out, do everything you have to. Also, don't say no to what you like. Understand the bite rule. I have now become a master, so I do 2 bite rules. Teaspoons of it. Okay? Do 5 bites. Do 6 bites. Okay? Follow the bite rule. And till your craving is sorted, it's good. If you have gone overboard, let it be, breathe. यार साल में एक ही बार घर में चकरी बनती है. Eat it.
Enjoy it guilt-free.
Enjoy it guilt-free. मजे करो. And last but not the least, okay, don't forget to have superfoods. Nothing doing. एक please green tea तो पी ही लेना. That's what we do.
Kathy, we had a wonderful conversation today that we have started with, festivals and the beautiful weight gaining and how we have all this delicious food. Then we found the alternatives for that delicious food. One thing, we spoke also about PCOS and, how to get rid of that as well. Although I'm going to catch hold of you again next time and going to make sure that you have a proper 2-3 hours with me so you can have a good content coming out of it. There's one thing which really caught my thought process here is that about the girl that you said, Rashmi, being from 137 kgs towards, 72 kg, I think that's what you said, right? So crazy jump. I'm like almost 60 kgs, right? How can she celebrate herself as she celebrates her family without worrying about what people has to say?
That would require her to first start loving herself, which I feel is still not there the way it should be. The moment she will start giving a damn about what people want to see and focus on what she wants to see, things will change.
Self-love.
But it's difficult, Kabir. I also am not somebody who is, you said you meditate. I don't. I die, but it does not occur to me that I can ask for help. Okay, it takes me a lot to realize that ये मैंने बता क्यों नहीं दिया किसी को. That's the programming we have grown up with. It is very difficult.
I completely agree. And I'll tell you what, Kathy, this is again one of the things that I have again in my program. It's called self-love image. Literally, I teach, and last time I realized that many people have the lowest and the lowest and lowest of the self-image. And the one person that they're supposed to love so much is themselves,
Yeah.
and they don't do it.
Yes.
You know, it's so challenging, like, because last time I don't remember telling myself like, Kabir, you're the best. I think you already realized that I love myself. I'm a full person of my, because I always make sure that my words, whatever I'm calling about myself, is something which is always going to be positive.
Yeah.
And,
See, but
you
it's
know,
hard.
It's difficult, absolute, but not impossible.
Yes.
It's definitely there. Khyati, it has been such a wonderful podcast with you. Again, I've literally, my brain is literally like, you know, skipping thoughts right now. Like, Arey, yaar, you know, this is a content you left out. This is a content you left out. You have such a beautiful way of delivering it, because I'm going to catch hold for you again next time. But before we call it a day, I want to tell my, tell my listeners and viewers one thing that they can do this New Year resolution to make sure that their plate is healthy, their heart is happy, and they're in love with themselves.
As a nutritionist, if I have to say something, it will only be three things. One is, if you don't have 3 servings of fruits, 3 servings of vegetables, we skip dinner. Dinner is going to be fruits and a bit of nuts. Second most important thing is, if you don't entertain thirst, you are going to be in trouble to the level of developing heart health issues also. Because the thirst and the hunger, these two centers, are very closely related in the hypothalamus. So you don't have water when you're thirsty. You then start, giving signals of hunger which are false and at the wrong time, which means you will go pick up a samosa, and which you will do every day. Okay? And third, if there is a choice between gymming and sleeping, sleep.
Beautiful, beautifully said. Thank you, Khyati. It was truly, truly an honor to have you on my podcast. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did.
I told you, nutrition, I'll get excited.
Yeah, great. For my viewers, I had today clinical nutritionist. She is not the person who just randomly became a nutritionist because she wanted to, because she has lived the life from losing so much to becoming so beautiful that she is today, helping so many people in the right way. So if you're supposed to be losing weight but you're scared of diet, trust me, she's not going to scare you. She's going to make sure that you love your diet. We have spoken about so many varieties of dishes, so many varieties of food that you can have, especially right after Diwali, which you're probably doing right now and thinking, oh my God, how will I lose this extra 3 kgs that I've gained? Why not go ahead and check her profile out and see how wonderfully she's going to guide you to ensure that you get back to your feet and get back to that healthy self of yours, including having this wonderful, amazing foods that you have. And you have to have it guilt free. If you're not going to do it that way, man, you know what? That 3 kgs is fine. What you're going to get through emotionally, just not. So why not, as we go towards the New Year's, go ahead and follow Khyati Rupani on her Instagram. Trust me, I've followed her already, and I know she has some amazing tips and tricks that will definitely ensure that you're doing the best that you can to have the best health that you can have. Follow her for more. Follow my account, Kabir Wani, and watch out for this episode coming to you very soon. You can listen to it on Spotify, Amazon, and Ghana. Make sure to watch this episode with your family together, because we have just finished the festival in this one. And we have got some nice tips and tricks for how to start your New Year's. Well, see you in the next podcast.